already know it, it's a good day for a boat ride. Sunshine and a slow tide, the wild hair in your eyes, deep ocean blue, yeah. It's a good day for living, catching some fishing, no hurry where we're getting. It's a good day for a boat ride, it's a good day for a boat ride with you. I can be the captain, you can have a day sun tanning on the bow. If we run up on a honey hole, we'll put the trolling motor on down. Sunsets and kisses, it's an easy decision. It's a good day for a boat ride, sunshine and a